How to convert selected PowerPoint slides to Word document. So if you want to convert selected PowerPoint slides to a Word document, then first you need to open up your PowerPoint slide. For example, I'll be choosing a slide. Once you've chosen, you need to go with File, which is on the upper left, and then go with Export option. Once you're under the Export here, you will have the Create PDF XPS option. Click on it. Once you click on it, now select the file location where you would like to save it. Now, once you've renamed, you need to go with the options. Under options, you need to go with slides and then choose the slides. For example, I'll be choosing 1, 2, 3, and then go with OK. Go with publish, and it will be saved, right? And after that, what you need to do is just go with your browser and then search for pdf2doc.com. Hit the enter. And here, you just need to simply go with the upload files. Choose the file that you've just saved and then go with download. And here on the upper right, you will have the download file. If you open it up, then you will get this kind of interface. You can see that I've opened the file in the Word. So that's it. That's how you can convert the selected PowerPoint slides to Word document. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.